Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear teacher clearly? Yes?
Yes.
All right. Hello, Cherry. Welcome to our class. Again, my name is Teacher Cathy Jaden. Cherry, how are you today? Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
All right, Cherry, that's good to hear. Now, are you ready for our class?
Yes.
Yes, let's go, Cherry. Okay. Now let's have some review from our previous lesson. Cherry, look at the pictures, okay? And then drag them to the correct basket, right? And then let's say it. Go. Pretty. We have ugly, colorful, and pretty. Very good. Very good. Yes! Wow! That's perfect, Cherry. So we have the first basket. Okay. The red dress is pretty. And the second basket, the black dress is ugly. Third, we have the dress is colorful and pretty. All right. Nice one, Cherry. Very good. Now, Cherry, let's move to the next page. Okay, let's have our new lesson. Okay, let's read the title of our new lesson. Birds Birthday Party.
Bird's birthday party.
Yes, that's right. So this is the bird, right? And it is the bird's birthday party. Okay, now Cherry, let's listen and do the chant. Okay, listen first. Right, now Cherry, let's clap our hands. Okay, or let's read it first. Okay, today is the girl's 13th birthday. Okay. She goes, okay, repeat the teacher. Today is the girl's 13th birthday.
Today is the
Girl's
girl's
13th
17th
birthday.
birthday.
Okay. She goes to the
She
circus
she goes to the circus
with her bird.
with her bird.
Right. She sees seals. She sees seals dressed
She she sees
sees seals dressed in shirts and skirts. And then the seals are twirling in circles.
seals
The seals are twirling in circles.
seals
Are twirling in circles.
are drilling in
Circles.
circle.
All right, now Cherry, let's clap our hands. Okay, when we read the words with phonics. Ready? Okay, go. Today is the girl's 13th birthday. She goes to the circus with her bird. She sees seals dressed in shirts and skirts. The seals are twirling in circles. All right, go Cherry, it's your turn. Okay, clap your hands when you read the words with phonics. Go. Today
is
the girls
the girl's
13th.
13th birthday.
Very good.
She goes to the
Circus
with her bird.
Very good. She sees seals dressed in shirts and skirts.
in shirts and skirt.
Very good. Now, lastly, the seals are twirling.
The sails are
Twirling
twirling
in circles.
in circles.
Wow! Very good, Cherry. Nice one. Now, Cherry, let's have phonics fun. Okay, let's listen. One more time. Very good.
Bird.
Correct. So, Cherry, this is a bird. Now, let's have the second word. All right, bird first.
Bird. Bird.
Bird. Bird. Bird. Very good. Now, girl. Next.
Girl.
Correct.
Girl.
Yes, that's it. Now, skirt.
Skirt.
Yes.
Skirt. Skirt.
Skirt. Very good. Next. Chirp.
Chirp.
Correct. Next.
Chirp.
Chirp. Correct.
Chirp.
Very good. That's right, Cherry. Good job. Now let's play some games, Cherry. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, now Cherry, listen and circle. Which sounds are correct? Okay, listen first. Okay, now, first one. A or B? Correct. It's A, letter A. Now, second. Okay. Second picture, first. All right, correct. It's number 2. That's right. Now third one. Listen. Right. Very good. Wow, you got 3 points. Wow, that's amazing, Cherry. Now let's go to the next page. Blend and say the word. Okay. Let's say it 3 times. Okay. B, b, t, er, t. Okay, what is the word?
Bird.
Very good. It's a bird. Next. Sh. T, t.
Shirt.
Correct. Shirt. Yes, it's a shirt. Next. St.
First.
Yes, that's right. First. Wow, Cherry. Okay, now Cherry, let's have story time. Okay, let's find out. Okay, let's read the title of our story. Birds Birthday Party.
Bird's birthday party.
Right. Very good. So this is Bird's birthday party. Let's find out, Cherry. Okay, let's listen first. All right. Today is Bird's birthday. He sits. Okay. He sits atop the fir tree. A girl, a squirrel, and a rabbit will come to his birthday party. Okay, now Cherry, it's your turn to read.
Today is Bird's birthday.
Yes, he sits
He sits
atop the fir tree.
He sits atop the fir tree.
A girl,
A girl,
a squirrel,
a squirrel,
and a rabbit
and a rabbit
will come
will come
to his birthday party.
to his birthday party.
All right, now Cherry, let's read the words that have the sounds. Okay, birds,
Birds,
birthday,
birthday,
fear tree.
fir tree,
All right, or fear. Next, girl,
girl,
squirrel,
squirrel,
birthday.
birthday.
All right, good job, Cherry. Now let's continue. Bird, listen first. Okay. Birds gives his friend birthday hat. Okay, the girl wears a brown skirt. And the squirrel wears a purple shirt. Okay. Cherry, it's your turn to read. Bird gives his friends birthday hats.
birthday hats.
Okay, continue.
The girl
Go. The girl wears.
The girl wears a brown skirt.
Very good. Next. The squirrel
The squirrel
wears
wears
a
a
purple
purple
shirt.
shirt.
All right. Good reading, Cherry. Now let's read again the words that have an phonics. First, bird. Bird, bird, bird. Next, birthday.
Birthday.
Okay, girl.
Girl.
Skirt.
Skirt.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Next, shirt.
Shirt.
Very good. Wow, amazing, Cherry. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, let's listen. All right, now let's read. It is my first birthday.
It is my first birthday.
Chirps bird.
Chirps bird.
Thank you for coming
Thank you for coming
on September the 3rd.
on September the
The 3rd.
the 3rd.
Yes. Everyone is happy.
Everyone is happy.
Yes, that's it. Now, Cherry, again, let's read the words that have the phonics. Okay. First.
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 Good. Next, birthday.
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 Chirps.
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 Yes. Bird.
Bird.
Third.
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 Very good. Wow, that's amazing, Cherry. Okay, now let's go. Listen. All right, now Cherry, go. This pie
This pie is delicious.
say the girl
Says the girl
and
and
the squirrel.
the squirrel. This is
This is our favorite
this is our favorite
September
September
the 3rd.
the 3rd.
All right. Again, let's read that. This pie is delicious.
This pie is delicious.
Say the girl and the squirrel.
See the girls and the squirrel.
Yes, this is our favorite September the 3rd.
This is our favorite
September
September the
the
3rd.
3rd. Wow! Okay, now Cherry, let's read. Okay, the words that have phonics. First one we have girl,
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 squirrel,
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 3rd.
3rd.
Right! That's wonderful, Cherry. Very good. Now, Cherry, let's play a game. Okay, now let's do speed read. Go. Okay, let's spin one and then let's read. Okay, spin. Okay, read clearly. Go. It is September
September
the 3rd.
the 3rd.
A girl,
A girl,
a squirrel,
a squirrel,
and a rabbit
and a rabbit
come
come to birthday party.
Yes, all right. Again, it is September the 3rd. A girl, a squirrel, and a rabbit come to Bird's birthday party. All right. Now, Cherry, let's read one more time. Okay, the words that have an phonics. First one, we have third.
Third,
Third.
third,
Girl.
girl,
Girl.
girl,
Squirrel.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
squirrel,
Birds.
birds,
Birds.
birds,
Birthday.
birthday,
Birthday.
birthday.
Very good. Yes, Cherry. Now let's go to our I Can Do It phonics.
Bird, girl, skirt,
Chirp. All right. Bird, girl, skirt, and chirp. Now
shirt,
let's say it 3 times, Cherry. Bird, bird, bird.
bird, bird, bird.
Now, girl, girl, girl.
Girl, girl, girl.
Next, skirt, skirt, skirt.
Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Lastly, chirp, chirp, chirp.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Chirp. Wow, amazing. All right. Cherry, you deserve an award. Okay, let me give you one award. Here it is. Look at that. Okay, do you like apple? Okay, let me give you one apple also. Here it is. Okay. Ta-da! Did you see it? Yes? All right, now, Cherry, we are done with our lesson. Practice the new words we learned, okay? All right? Now let's sing bye-bye song. Sing with teacher. Okay, sing with me, Cherry. Bye-bye. Goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yay! All right. Thank you so much for today, Cherry. Be happy. Be kid. Be